Welcome to the heart of craftsmanship, where raw earth transforms into everyday elegance. A journey of precision begins. Our journey begins with the earth itself, carefully selected and meticulously stored. Each clay block holds untold potential.
Only the finest materials pass our rigorous initial inspection. Purity and quality are paramount from the very beginning.
From pristine storage, the raw clay embarks on its first transformation. Precision machinery awaits its arrival. The raw clay undergoes a meticulous refining process, shedding impurities. It's transformed into a perfectly homogeneous material.
Even in modern production, the artisan's touch remains vital. Expert hands prepare the clay for its final form.
Precisely measured, each clay portion is perfectly prepared. The molding process, a symphony of automation, awaits.
Automated precision brings form to the unshaped clay. Each cup begins its life in this intricate dance of machinery.
The mold closes, shaping the raw material with incredible precision. A cup's identity is born in this delicate moment.
From the mold, a perfect, wet clay cup emerges, handled with automated precision. The journey continues.
Freshly molded, the cups embark on their gentle journey into controlled drying, a crucial step to prevent imperfections.
Within the drying chamber, every environmental factor is precisely controlled. Science ensures perfection.
Inside the vast chamber, cups gently release moisture, strengthening with every passing moment.
Observe the subtle dance of transformation. As moisture departs, the clay hardens, preparing for its fiery trial.
Every greenware cup undergoes rigorous inspection. Only flawless pieces proceed, a testament to our commitment.
With automated precision, each cup is loaded onto kiln cars. They are ready to face the intense heat of the first firing. Within the control room, every degree of heat is meticulously managed. The kiln's fiery embrace is expertly guided.
Through the viewport, witness the fiery heart of transformation. Clay becomes ceramic, hardened by intense heat.
From the kiln's embrace, bisque-fired cups emerge, stronger and more resilient. The first transformation is complete.
The ping test reveals a cup's integrity. Only those with a clear, resonant sound proceed to glazing.
Bisque-fired, the cups glide towards the glazing station. Here, they will receive their protective and aesthetic coating.
In our specialized lab, glazes are meticulously mixed. Each formula promises durability and stunning aesthetics.
Automated arms apply a perfect, even layer of glaze. Each cup receives its protective and beautiful finish.
The glaze settles perfectly, a liquid shield and vibrant canvas. Each cup's unique character begins to emerge.
Freshly glazed, each cup moves to gentle air drying. The vibrant colors await their fiery permanence. Glazed and gleaming, the cups now enter the glazed firing kiln. Here, their colors will be permanently fused.
In the control room, every parameter is meticulously maintained. The glaze vitrifies,
Witness the crucible of creation. Glaze and clay become one, forged in an intense, brilliant white heat.
From the intense heat, a perfectly glazed-fired cup emerges. Its surface now gleaming, its color permanent.
Each glazed-fired cup now undergoes its ultimate test. Advanced technology ensures every detail meets our high standards.
lasers meticulously scan every curve and surface. No imperfection escapes the watchful eye of automation.
Even after automated checks, the human eye provides final approval. True craftsmanship is irreplaceable.
The final mark of excellence, our subtle brand logo. Each cup is now ready for its journey to you.
Branded and gleaming, our cups move towards their final presentation. Luxury packaging awaits, protecting perfection.
Gently placed, each cup finds its perfect home within luxurious velvet. A premium experience from factory to hand. Each luxuriously packaged cup is now prepared for distribution. From creation to global delivery, excellence is assured.
In our automated warehouse, every packaged cup awaits its journey. Global distribution, flawlessly managed.
Finally, our exquisite cups grace elegant displays, each one a testament to beauty, quality, and enduring design. Behold the flawless finish, a mirror reflecting our dedication to perfection. A masterpiece, ready for your home.
Our team's dedication fuels every success. Collaboration and expertise drive our relentless pursuit of perfection.
Innovation begins with a vision. Our designers meticulously craft every curve, ensuring timeless elegance and function. From concept to tangible form, 3D printing brings our designs to life. Innovation meticulously realized.
Our central logistics hub orchestrates a seamless flow of materials. Every component, precisely where it needs to be.
In the heart of our factory, massive mixers transform raw clay. A powerful process, meticulously controlled for consistency.
Our material scientists meticulously analyze every batch. Perfect plasticity is essential for superior craftsmanship. Even the smallest components receive meticulous attention. Precision engineering crafts each handle for perfect balance. Cup bodies and handles converge, perfectly aligned. The precision assembly stage, where components unite.
Automated arms delicately apply clay slip, then precisely attach handles. A seamless fusion of form and function.
With delicate precision, handle and cup unite, forming a single, elegant structure. The bond is complete. Now complete with its handle, each cup begins its journey to the first firing. A testament to seamless integration.
Before firing, every handle attachment undergoes rigorous scrutiny. Structural integrity is paramount for lasting quality.
With automated precision, assembled cups enter the kiln. The first firing transforms them into durable ceramic forms. The kiln's heat is precisely calibrated for assembled pieces, every degree controlled, ensuring perfect bisque firing.
Within the inferno, handle and cup are fused, becoming one resilient ceramic form. The first firing completes.
Emerging from the kiln, the bisque-fired cup and handle are now one, ready for the artistic touch of glazing.
Each bisque-fired cup, now with its handle, undergoes meticulous inspection. Only flawless pieces proceed to glazing.
Assembled and bisque-fired, the cups move towards glazing. Here, they will receive their protective and vibrant coating.
New glazes are meticulously prepared, ensuring vibrant hues and lasting protection. Artistry meets chemistry. Automated arms skillfully glaze each cup, ensuring complete coverage. The handle receives the same flawless finish. The glaze settles perfectly, coating both cup and handle. A seamless, vibrant transformation begins its journey.
Freshly glazed, each cup with its handle moves to gentle air drying. The vibrant colors await their fiery permanence.
Glazed and gleaming, the assembled cups now enter the glazed firing kiln. Their colors will be permanently fused.
Precisely controlled, the glazed firing vitrifies the glaze. Handle and cup emerge as one stunning, durable piece.
Within the white-hot inferno, glaze fuses perfectly. The cup and handle emerge as a single, lustrous masterpiece.
From the final firing, a perfect cup with its handle emerges. Its surface gleaming, its quality assured.
Touch of a master artisan adds exquisite detail. Hand-painted gold rims elevate each cup to a work of art.
Delicate decals are precisely applied, adding intricate patterns and personalized touches. Artistry with unwavering precision.
Decorated cups enter a specialized kiln, where delicate details are permanently fused. The final artistic touch. Decorated and fired, each cup moves to final polishing. A gentle touch ensures every surface gleams.
Soft brushes gently buff the surface. Every decoration, every curve, polished to absolute perfection. Final aesthetic inspection, where human artistry meets precision, ensuring every detail is absolutely flawless.
Perfectly decorated, each cup is now ready for its close-up, showcasing its exquisite beauty to the world.
Our master photographers captured every exquisite detail. Each image reflects the true artistry within every cup. Captured in exquisite detail, our cups are presented in their truest form, a visual feast for discerning eyes.
Digital artistry refines every image, ensuring our cups are showcased in their most captivating light. Perfection, pixel by pixel.
In our bustling fulfillment center, every order is meticulously prepared for dispatch. Global reach with personalized care.
The final touch, a precisely printed shipping label. Your exquisite cup is now ready for its journey home.
Pallets of perfection, ready for global transit. From our factory to your doorstep, a seamless journey.
Our branded trucks carry excellence worldwide. From our hands to yours, a journey of trust and quality.
Finally, our cups find their place in your home, elevating everyday moments with beauty, comfort, and lasting quality.
Designed for all ages, our cups bring joy and safety to every family moment. Quality for every generation.
From quiet mornings to lively brunches, our cups enhance every social occasion. Designed for life's beautiful moments.
Embrace new beginnings with a cup that inspires. Each sunrise, a moment of reflection, perfectly cradled. Our story unfolds in every detail, from exquisite design to captivating imagery. Discover the world of our craftsmanship.
To the city of dreams.
Cheers!
With mindful care, our cups are designed to last a lifetime, protecting beauty one gentle placement at a time. Fuel your day with vitality and style. Our cups seamlessly integrate into your healthy, active lifestyle.
Beyond utility, our cups are objects of beauty, enhancing any curated space. Art for your everyday life.
Simple pleasures, elevated. Our cups are perfect companions for picnics and carefree moments outdoors.
Every morning ritual, perfected. Our cups are designed to enhance your personal moments of tranquility.
Find tranquility in the everyday. Our cups invite moments of calm, perfect for winding down your day. Enhance your workspace with elegance. Our cups offer a touch of sophistication to your productive day.
Connect with nature, connect with yourself. Our cups complement moments of serene beauty and contemplation. Beyond beverages, our cups elevate culinary creations. A canvas for gourmet desserts, presented with elegance.
Experience unparalleled hospitality. Our cups are chosen by the finest establishments, a symbol of refined service. Beyond its primary use, our cups transform into exquisite decorative pieces. Elevate your home with versatile elegance. A masterpiece of design, perfectly reflected. Our cups embody both beauty and enduring, flawless craftsmanship.
From humble clay to global elegance, our story continues.